Very difficult conditions. Not raining, Craig Setzer. Very warm out there, though.
Yeah, very warm, very humid, typical summertime, late June weather, and showers and thunderstorms will likely return tonight and off and on again tomorrow. Here's the radar, and you can see just about every direction we look, there is some type of shower or thunderstorm activity around. Atmosphere is very moist, it's unstable, and just about any time of day or night you can get activity. We've seen this last round of activity now move through late this afternoon. The heaviest is in Palm Beach County, mainly light to moderate rain now in Broward. Mostly dry or rain-free for the time being right now in Miami-Dade and at the Surfside location, I should say. No rain right now, but more rain and some thunderstorms possible as we go on through the evening and overnight hours. This little swirl right here, this is our latest tropical storm. Tropical storm Danny formed this afternoon around 3 o'clock from tropical depression number 4, which was had advisory started at 11 a.m. this morning. You can see it's a little bit lopsided. You can clearly see the low-level center there as it was moving to the west, continuing to move to the west and just about to make a landfall there on the South Carolina coast. It's going to bring some heavy rain, some gusty winds, but it's not going to be a big deal. It's a small storm, and also it's not a very strong storm. Winds at only 45 miles an hour, moving to the west-northwest at 16. Tropical storm warnings in effect for a portion of the South Carolina coast there, and there's the future track forecast a weekend as it goes towards the northern parts of Georgia there, but it is going to bring some heavy rainfall as it moves on to the west. Besides Danny, we're also watching the wave we were talking about much of last week that is now in the central Atlantic. It's forecast to continue to move to the west and turn a little more to the northwest. Development's possible. It's not likely, but it's possible later in the week and over the weekend by the time it starts to get towards the Caribbean. Right now, the wind shear is high in this area. It's forecast to relax a little bit, but conditions are by far not ideal for development. They're only marginal at best because not only do we have the wind shear that is still going to be lingering in the area, but also we have any type of land interaction here. The waters are a little bit on the coolish side. They're not into the heart of hurricane season yet, so we'll just put it this way. Conditions do not favor rapid strengthening, but because many of the models do take it to the west and west-northwest, we will just keep our eyes on it. Our Keys camera this evening looking pretty good. I think it's going to be a pretty good sunset as well. It's currently 81 in Miami, 77 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 83 in Key West, 7 on the stickiness scale, 85% humidity, a north-northeast wind since midnight last night, nearly 0.8 of an inch of rain coming in at MIA. Heavier amounts in South Dade. More storms possible as we go through the evening and overnight hours, especially later tonight. Brief downpours, a low in the upper 70s. For tomorrow, look for a good deal of clouds, stormy periods, heavy at times, and a high temperature in the upper 80s. On the water, winds east-southeast 10 to 15, seas running 2 to 3 feet. Moderate chop on the bays and taking us through the rest of the weekend into the holiday weekend. Looks like we may dry out a little bit by the time we get to the 4th of July. Back to you.